guys, welcome everyone. Today in this video, we were gonna cover one of the most important topic in trading is MTFA. The full form is multi-time frame analysis. Today in this video, we're gonna understand that deeply. That would be a short video, that would be a low length video, but it would actually make a significant impact on your trading if you understand the concept and apply to your trading accurately, right? So let's start. First of all, this the strategy called MTFA, which is multi-time frame analysis. What does that mean? It's the analysis which is based on multiple time frames. In the previous videos, we are talking about time frames like 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, daily. Even we dive into the monthly time frame also, monthly charts also. So now we're gonna covering MTFA in trading. It's not for investment. I will make a separate video on investment, but today this video is dedicatedly for the trading perspective, right? So in trading, we take a order and we keep into that order hardly 5 hours, 6 hour, even somehow some days, right? So if you are a scalper, then you should not stay more than 1 hour or 2 hour. Your mindset should be clear that if I can capture this move which I am assuming that it would be happen in the market, so I will capture that move and I will execute my order no matter after where the prices goes. And if you are an intraday trader or you are a swing trader or you are even an investor, so you can and you have to choose your time frame accordingly, and it would be subjectively for the different topic if you are interested in intraday trading or scalping and something like that. So today in this video, we're covering the topic of scalping, right? Scalping is something which we are doing for really a shorter period of time. It could be in even 1 minute chart, even 3 minute chart, and generally for the 5 minute chart itself, right? So I think the foundations is clear now, and let's dive into the analysis. So if you're a scalper, then first of all, you have to maintain a formula, which is called your grandfather, your father, and you, right? Your grandfather would be the longer time frame. It would be 1 hour time frame. You have to just simply click on the 1 hour chart, and you have to analyze that in 1 hour where the chart is actually going, right? So if I have to see that this is the strong support level for the price, and the price is for now for a very shorter period of time, uh, a price is giving a bounce back from the respective support zone, right? This is also a resistance zone for the market if you really think it. Okay, so in so I think that market, actually, if you ask me that in these positions, I do not find any trade. But if you ask me to trade, I will say that price is moving upward from there, right? Price is moving upward. So in the time frame of 1 hour, we predict that time could move in the upward directions. And you have to just simply came in the lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame, and you have to see that in 15 minutes where the chart is actually going. So you will see that it is approximately in the previous chart itself, which is 1 hour chart. If you see that it doesn't actually any difference except this, there is a minimum candle and there is a little bit of extra candle. So again, the interesting part comes when you jump into the 5 minute chart. And in the 5 minute chart, if you see, and if you wanted to plot support and resistance here itself in the market, so let's see, let's put a support zone here. This is also a support zone for us, and I think that market could move upward. So in this case, we do not find actually that where is the market is going. Supposedly on this move, you see that on the 1 hour chart, the market is falling down, and 15-minute chart the market is falling down, but on the 5 minute chart you see a bounce back where market could actually break its resistance level. But that could be a false, because my previous longer time frame chart analysis says that it doesn't give you a reversal until a valid point, right? So until a valid volume comes in. Okay, so you have to always put in front of you 1 hour chart while scalping, obviously, then 15-minute chart, then 5 minute chart. You have to obey what the 1 hour chart says before jumping into the 5 minute chart, right? So that's it. And we were trying to covering that video for this scalper who is trying to make money in the market for 10 to 15 minutes, and even 1 hour 2 hour also. So that's not actually matter, but in the next video we're covering MTFA for intraday trader. Okay, so make sure that you subscribe our channel, and if you really understand something via this video, make sure you like that channel, and again subscribe. Thank you for watching.